So in this session we are going to see another number system conversion, that is from hexadecimal to binary number system, and then at the later session we are going to see also how to convert back from the binary to hexadecimal number system. So see here, our requirement is here from the hexadecimal number system to the binary number system. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to, in order to convert a hexadecimal number system to binary number system, we have to first represent a radix relationship. So here the radix is 2 to the 4 and we have to convert into the 2. So what we need to develop here, we have to develop a conversion table which actually converts a hexadecimal number into the binary number. So see here, the resultant binary number of a hexadecimal is actually less than 2 to the power 4. Okay, so see here, hexadecimal number, what are the hexadecimal numbers here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 10 onwards is decoding into A, B, C, D, E and F. So this is mainly hexadecimal number system values. So maximum is 15, 0 to 15. So we have to convert to the binary. So as you know that the radix is 2 to the 4 here, hexadecimal. So the resultant binary is actually less than this 2 to the 4. So what would be the binary weights here? 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 2 to the 3. It is less than 2 to the 4. Okay. So now this is 8, 4, 2, 1 is actually the equivalent resultant of the binary equivalent of hexadecimal number. So what will be the 0 means? 0, 0, 0, 0. 1 means here it's 1, other values are 0. Similarly 2 means 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. 5 means 0, 1, 0, 1. 6 means 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, next 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so what we have observed from this table, the table tells us if you want to convert a hexadecimal number into binary number, it requires 1 digit of hexadecimal number, 4 digits of binary number. So each hexadecimal number is represented as 4 equivalent digits of binary number. With this conversion table, we can easily convert the hexadecimal number system into the binary number system. So we'll see some of the examples so that you can understand it better way. So example is, let's say 64 point B is a hexadecimal number. So what you need to do, you need to convert each hexadecimal digit into 4 equivalent binary digits. So 6 is 0, 1, 1, 0, 4 is 0, 1, 0, 0, next dot, B is 1, 0, 1, 1, B is 1, 0, 1, 1. This is actually the equivalent binary number. Okay, so this is the way you can convert each hexadecimal digit, you can represent into 4 binary bits. So next example, let's say 1F point B hexadecimal into binary number. So what you need to do, again you have to represent each hexadecimal digit into 4 equivalent binary bits. 0, 0, 0, 1. F is 1, 1, 1, 1. Dot B is 1, 0, 1, 1. This is actually the equivalent binary number. So next, another example, let's say F A hexadecimal into binary. So each, what you have to do, each hexadecimal digit convert into the 4 binary bits. 1 1 1 1, next 1 1 1 1 dot A, 1 0 1 0. So this is the equivalent binary bits. Now next part is we have to convert binary to hexadecimal. Okay, binary number system to hexadecimal number system. So what you need to do here, okay, base 2 to the higher base. So what you need to do, you have to start grouping again. So let's say we have an example 101101.10 binary number into the equivalent hexadecimal number. What you need to do here, simple, you have to group 4 equivalent binary bits to get a single hexadecimal bit. Here only 2 bits. What you need to do, you have to pair 2 zeros at the left, which will not change anything. So this will be 0010 2 1101. Oh, no, 1101 is D. Next 0.10. So you have to pair 2 zeros at the right side. So 100 is 8. 2D8. Okay, this is the way you can convert. Next, another example 1010.01 binary into the hexadecimal. So what you need to do, from the point this side you have to take 4 bits of the binary to make a single hexadecimal bit, and here pair 2 zeros to get 4 bits, then group it. Next, this side you have to pair 2 zeros again for the right side to get a equivalent hexadecimal of 4 bits to the equivalent single digit. 1010 is A, 0010 is 2, 0.0100 is 4 hexadecimal. So this is the way you can convert a binary number into hexadecimal or hexadecimal number into a binary number using this conversion table. Thank you.